So the second neon sign is again. I hate you. वो नीचे से plug उतरे जा रहे हैं. 1 second. Hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing everything that I got from Shein before the lockdown, and I did not share the haul before क्योंकि फिर ऐसे चिढ़ाने का क्या मतलब है. Obviously, you were not able to purchase anything from there, but now after 20th you can. So I decided to film it. So basically, for the overview, everything that I got from Shein and everything that I'm gonna show you in this video is going to be under 500 and mostly under 400. 401 405 होगा कोई एक प्रोडक्ट, उससे ज्यादा 400 500 से अंदर ही है सारा सामान. So let's get started, and I am including the neon lights in this. So let's get started with the video. So beginning with, I'm gonna share every crop top that I got from there, and here you go. So the first one is this one. This is actually a neon one shoulder crop top, and this fits me like a dream. I actually posted this video on Likey and also on TikTok, I guess, or Instagram. I don't remember at this point. But this was the whole look and I loved it. I'm still obsessed with neon color. I know spring aa gaya hai aur zyada log nahi pehen rahe, but then also I love it. This fits me perfectly. The entire point of buying all these crop tops were कि Shein के crop tops make me look patla yaar. I have no idea why. Look at this. These tops make me look really slim. So I really love wearing them. So this is the first top, and I'm gonna put the prices on the screen so that you get a better idea. And I'm gonna also share my bill क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि अगर ये same amount में sale पे नहीं होगा तो सब लोग मेरे पे question करने आने वाले कि झूठ बोल रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है. So on to the next top, which is this orange one, and I did a really cool shoot. Look at this at my home on my own self timer say, and I'm gonna upload the video of how to shoot self portraits as well, so please wait for that. Anyways, I also wanted to share this crop top in white color जो कि मैंने खरीदा है इसी सारे सामान के साथ ही, but वो अभी वॉश के अंदर है, so I'm so sorry. That is the exact same crop top just in white color, and I love this. Look at this. I really love this kind of strap, and it also has a similar strap. So, and also the color looks really amazing, really pretty, and I'm gonna buy it in every color because I'm obsessed with this crop top. This was, again, I'm gonna put the prices on the screen. So the third crop top has full sleeves, but it is in net, and it has this really cool pattern all over it. And I was thinking कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा basic हो चुकी, so I need something like very extra, and I went for it. This was very inexpensive, and also it has these frill kind of things at the bottom and also on the sleeves. So I am absolutely loving it, and that was it. So the quality of the stuff is amazing. और ये वीडियो बिल्कुल भी sponsored नहीं है. I bought everything on my own. अगर sponsored होती तो मैं 500 रुपए के अंदर नहीं लेती, मैं बहुत सारे लेती. Anyways, on to the next top. This is very similar to the orange one that I showed you, but ये थोड़ा cropped है. Basically ये tube sort of में आ रहा है. And this one is in black color, और ये शायद 100 या 150 का था, which is why I got this. वरना black में मैं नहीं लेने वाली थी. I have enough black crop tops, but क्या कर सकते हैं. I got it, and again the stuff, the material is amazing. On to the next top. So this is again in black, और मैं इसको exactly नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी ऐसे हाथ में लेके. So here's a picture. And this is the neck area. It has one sleeve and a really cool triangle sort of cut at the front, and doesn't have the neck like other. Ouch. This is what the top looks like, and I am loving it. This was under 500. I cannot believe it. मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रहा है कि सेल पे था, I guess. I love this top. On to the next top, which is again a shocker, and I'm very sure कि बहुत सारे लोग shock होने वाले हैं इसको देख के. So this is the kind of animal print, cheetah print turtleneck that again has that frilled sort of detailing at the end of the sleeves. This looks really amazing, and I wore it on top of my dress, or maybe under my dress in the Kylie Jenner wali video. And this was again for, I guess, 392 rupees, which is amazing, dude. You have no idea how happy this makes me feel. It fits me perfectly, and it is very stretchable, very comfortable. सर्दियों के लिए तो था, but like गर्मियों के लिए I'm not very sure because of the synthetic material, but I'm very sure I can style it in a number of ways. On to the next top, which is this one. I wanted something that would match my pants that has a similar pattern, but it is not possible, dude. This color is a little bit darker than that one, तो वो बहुत ही different लग रहा है. That was kind of a fail, but then also I'm really happy that I got this crop top because it looks amazing with a jacket that I have. And anyway, also like without even a jacket, if you wear it, it looks amazing. Again, prices will be on the screen. On to the next top. Again, something similar, but just the it has this vinyl or maybe poly kind of. I am not even sure what the word is and what to call this, but this is what it looks like. And I have a similar skirt, like a skirt that has a similar material, so I wanted to make that set sort of thing, and that's what I did, and that's the reason I got it. वरना मम्मी मेरे को बहुत मारती, फिर से कुछ black ले लिया मैंने, बहुत ही similar सा. Anyway, so this was again for very affordable price, and I loved it. I actually really like wearing it. I recently wore it in one of my IGTV videos as well. So that was it. On to the last clothing item that I got, which is this. These are neon colored shorts, and these are in velvet material and also has a white and black strip on the sides, and this is what it looks like. It is a little bit see-through, which is not cool, and I'm very disappointed about that, but then also it looks amazing when I wear it. I've worn it a couple of times. बाहर ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं पहन पाई हूँ, but I'm planning to wear it this summer. अगर ये सारा लॉकडाउन और कोरोना वाला खत्म होता है तब. Anyways, this is again, this was the last clothing item. On to the accessories. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you is this. This is very lame. I know you guys don't really want this, or basically this is a wig cap. I have a wig now, so I wanted a cap for it, and this is what it looks like. On to the second accessory that I got, which is this really cool dapper kind of sunglasses, and this is what it looks like. इसके अंदर वो वाला pattern है, and I really like it. ये मेरा makeup mess कर रहा है. Oh my god, I did not even explain you guys कि मैं ऐसा makeup करके क्यों बैठी हूँ. I'm so sorry. So I did all of this makeup for that Don't Rush challenge for my Instagram video, and I decided to switch up my haul video a little bit and show you कि मैं थोड़ा सा talented हूँ, मुझे makeup करना आ गया है. Comparing मेरा पहले वाला version और अभी वाला version, I think I can do a lot more, and I'm gonna do different kind of makeups in another haul videos. So let's just hope कि सब कुछ अच्छे से जाता है. Most probably मैं mug shot वाली video मतलब mug shot वाला makeup करके बैठने वाली हूँ next video के लिए. Anyways, this was actually for 210 or maybe 220 rupees. And that's it. It actually looks really cool in photo shoots. On to the final thing, and these are the neon lights. So this is the first one. Ouch. So this is what the first one looks like. These are the lips, and these were for 392 rupees only. I cannot even explain you guys कि कितनी खुश हूँ मैं इस चीज से. Basically, I got it for really cheap. मतलब next day जब मैंने देखा था Shein पे, तो they were selling one of this for 750 rupees, और मैं दो लेके आई हूँ. Again, दोनों pink में ही लिए मैंने because it would go better with the entire vibe of my room, because as you can see I have another neon sign. This one says love and the lips. So मैंने दोनों जगह पे अलग-अलग, सारी जगह पे basically एक neon sign लगा रखा है because I find it really cool. And both of these were for 392 rupees. मैं डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रही थी कि कौन सा लेना चाहिए मुझे, कौन सा बेटर रहेगा क्योंकि मेरे सिटिंग एरिया के लिए. But at the end I gave up and bought both of these. And I'm really happy that I did. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. And I swear to God मैं सारे links डाल दूँगी description में. Bye. मैं जाऊँगी. मेरे पैर दुख गए. सो गए मेरे पैर. On to the second.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins and he